In this question, we have to calculate the charge on the capacitor as shown in figure. Now, the concept behind this question is that when a capacitor is connected to a DC source, then the capacitor always acts as an open circuit. Now, since capacitor acts as an open circuit, then the current that will be flow through the capacitor will be equal to 0. So, we have 10 ohm and 20 ohm directly connected in a series. So whatever current is over here, let's say I dash is flowing in this branch, then the complete current will pass through 10 ohm because I is 0. Capacitor acts as an open circuit, and this current will be forwarded to 20 ohm. We had 10 ohm and 20 ohm series, so our equivalent is 10 plus 20, that is 30 ohms. Current I dash can be calculated by Ohm's law, V by R. We have value of V as 2 divided by 30, that is 1 by 15 ampere. This is the current flowing. So the potential drop across 10 ohm resistor, can be calculated by IR. Current is 1 by 15 ampere. Resistance is 10 ohm. That comes out to be 2 by 3 volts. This is the potential drop across 10 ohm resistor. Now since the resistor 10 ohm and capacitor 6 microfarad are in parallel, therefore the potential drop across 10 ohm resistor will be equal to 6 microfarad capacitor. So I have Q is equals to CV, where the V is the potential drop across the capacitor, and that is same to that of the potential drop across 10 ohm resistor. So Q can be calculated by CV. C is my 6 microfarad, that is 6 into 10 to the power minus 6, and voltage is 2 by 3. On solving this equation, I get value of Q as 4 into 10 to the power minus 6 coulomb. That is my answer.